Hi everyone, I'll show you how to remove and install SIM card and memory card into your Moto X40, as you can see on right here. So your memory card and SIM card tray is going to be on the top, so you'll need to pull it out. You'll need this special or something to stick it in inside and click on it and it'll come out. So here's this same tray, pull it out, and here's your SIM card and memory card. It shows which way to stick it in. It's like there's pretty much shows memory card which way it's supposed to go in, and the SIM card. So you get the memory card, you install it back in, and this one this way, and stick it back in the phone. Damn, it just came out. It doesn't stay pretty well. It just goes slowly. Put it in back in the phone, and everything is installed. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.